Our very last step is telophase, and I like to think of telophase as the anti-prophase. Where prophase, we organized our DNA, and telophase, we're going to unorganize our DNA. In prophase, where we dissolved our nucleus, in telophase, we're going to be rebuilding our nucleus. And then in prophase, where we develop the spindle fibers, in telophase, the spindle fibers go away. So the exact opposite of what happens in prophase happens in telophase. So that's an easy way for me to help and remember those three steps. But one more addition to this whole process is cytokinesis. Because at the end of telophase, we still just going to have one large cell. It has all the pieces and parts for two cells in all the right areas, but we still need to physically separate the one large cell into two now identical daughter cells. And cytokinesis is how we do this. Cytokinesis begins in anaphase, and then it will continue through telophase. And this is where we're actually going to be taking our one large cell and we're going to be turning it into two identical daughter cells. And how we do this is essentially by using the cytoskeleton as a belt. And we tighten this belt up more and more and more, tighter and tighter and tighter around the midline of that cell, and eventually that's going to pinch the midline of the cell and squeeze it into two additional cells.